G'day everyone, Marc here from Marc and Cars. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to do a little bit of a project. I've got these fantastic new wheels from Koya Wheels, and the team at Car Care Products Australia have sent me these Gyeon products to ceramic coat them. Now, I've got a GR Yaris, and anyone who knows anything about GR Yaris knows we have the dustiest brake pads that have ever been made on any car. Maybe not the dustiest, but it certainly seems that way. And I've got a set of white wheels to go on them. So I figured if I ceramic coat these wheels, it should make them easier to clean, and them being white, this is going to be quite important to maintain, as you can imagine. So what I'm going to do is, I've never done this before. I thought I'd take you on the journey, see what it's like to DIY this type of job of ceramic coating your own wheels. Now, the products I'm going to use by Gyeon is the Gyeon Prep, which is needed to clean the wheels first. And I will also be using the Q2 Rim quartz product to go on the rim. I'm actually going to put 2 coats on each of the wheels. Now, the process I'm going to show you, I was told by the team at Car Care Products, is for brand new wheels. These have never had tyres on them. They are brand spankers. So I will actually go through the process. There's a bit more prep work to do on the old wheels when they come off, so that I can also make those wheels easier to clean moving forward. So anyway, what I've done to do this project is I've got a trestle style table here. I've actually covered it in some cardboard for 2 reasons. 1, to protect the wheels so they don't get marked. And 2, is I'm going to use a pen to mark out where I'm up to on the wheel on the cardboard to try and keep track of where I'm at with the application process. Now, during that application process, I've also got a couple of other products here. I've got some coating applicator pads and a special Gyeon bald wipe. Now, it's a microfiber type towel for flattening and polishing the ceramic coating once it's been applied. So anyway, like I said, never done this before. I just want to show you guys what it's like as a DIY project to do yourself if you want to do this to your own brand new wheels that you're going to fit to your car. So let's get into it. Okay, so first up I'm going to clean the wheels with the Gyeon Prep product. Instructions say to shake it well. And then just spray it on and wipe it off with a microfiber. So let's get stuck into it. Sure of where you're up to on both wheels, if I can give you any advice, this is also just cleaning your car. Use your valve hole or where your valve stem is as your guide to start and finish where you're up to. And then I'm going to do the barrel inside. Make sure you do the back side of the spokes as well. Okay, so I've used the Prep product to clean the wheels, both the inside barrel and the face of the wheels. I'm now going to apply the ceramic coating on the inside of the barrels first because they're the least visible, and this would be a great way for me to learn how the application is put on and how it feels to wipe off, etc. Now, they do recommend you use rubber gloves, which I've got here, and they also recommend that you do a quarter of the wheel at a time. So I've actually got a pen, and because I'm doing this on cardboard, I'm just going to mark out where a quarter is for each wheel so I can keep track of where I'm up to. So I'll use that as my guide for application. The Q2 product, Q2 Rim product, comes with the solution, comes with an eyedropper for application for the solution, comes with an applicator block, which is like a don't know, hard foam or something on one side and some soft foam on the other. And it also comes with an application cloth. Actually, it feels like several cloths. It is. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 cloths. So, and they're like a suede material, which is designed to be wrapped around this application block, drip the solution onto the block, and then apply evenly. Now, this is good for flat surfaces, so the inside of the barrel and the inside of the spokes, which are quite flat. And then the solution's wiped clean, I guess, or flat with the bald wipe. And they recommend waiting between 1 and 3 minutes. I'll sort of get a feel for it and see how it goes. Like I said, I've done it before, so we'll see how it goes. And then on the face of the wheel, I'm actually going to use these coating applicator pads because they are designed and a bit more flexible to get around the into the nooks and crannies, and we all know how hard it is to clean the brake dust out of those, you know, little parts that are hard to get into to clean. So I'm going to make sure they're very well applied. And like I said, there'll be 2 coats going on all the wheels, so let's see how it goes. I cannot believe how hard this is to open. There is also some instructions that come with it. The instructions say to shake stuff up well, and also to not apply in direct sunlight, and it will take 24 hours to cure, so don't use the wheels or get the tyres fitted within 24 hours of application. I'm just reading to you what was on the instructions that I read myself, so if you went and bought this stuff, I'm sure you'd do the same. It does have a drip feed on here, so I'm not sure what this is for of you. That focuses all right, so I'll see if that works. Okay, it's just to wrap the cloth over the foam as such, instructions, and to soak. Okay, I've marked out my quarters, so I'm going to do 1 quarter at a time. It does start to get a bit tacky and sticky, then they recommend giving it a polish. Oh, it definitely feels like it's doing so. Okay, so that's the insides of all of them done. I'm actually going to do the other side now, so I'll just turn the wheel over. Double check it's all clean still, there's no dust or anything that's gotten anywhere, purely because once the ceramic coating goes on, it is going to trap anything that's in there underneath it. So for the face, which is a lot more complex, I'm going to use this applicator pad, this softer applicator pad, which doesn't have much change it. And I see the surface of it's the same fabric as what's on this suede sole cloth, so I'll just use this to apply and see how it goes. I suspect just the cloth on my hand might actually make this job a little bit easier. I might try that actually. Actually, I'm finding that a lot easier. And it was actually done like this in the demo video that I watched from Gyeon themselves. So I'm definitely making sure I'm getting well and truly into those nooks and crannies. Because I'm going to give these wheels 2 coats, whilst I am being fastidious in making sure the coating is in there good, I'm hoping if anything was missed in the first time, we'll get picked up the second one. Okay, so that's 1 whole wheel done. It is a highly repetitive task. I've got the other 3 to do. So I've done the face on this one, done the barrel, I've done everywhere I can. I've done inside the lug nut slots or chutes, even inside the centering ring. Thanks to the guys from Car Care Products Australia for sending me through the Gyeon Rim Q2 product. Quite physical to apply, it's quite tacky, but as a DIY project, I think it's been pretty good. Like I said, I've got to go through and do the other wheels and then do the second coat, which I'll probably do tomorrow, but you get the idea on how I've gone about doing this. I will do another video on when I do the black wheels that are on the Yaris now, because there's a bit of cleaning and prep work that needs to be done before this application can occur. So I'll do a separate video on that. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and there'll be plenty more GR Yaris content to come. But I haven't forgotten about the Porsche enthusiasts either. 356 is in the shop at the moment, but I'll give you an update video on that car and the other cars in the garage in the next couple of weeks or so. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, browse the channel. There's plenty of varied content, whether you like Yarises, Porsches, BMWs, Ferraris. I've got a really mixed bag on there, so there's a bit of something for everyone. Thanks for taking the time watching Marc and Cars.